Toyota's electric sport utility vehicle, the oddly named bZ4X, did not exactly shake up the electric vehicle market when it debuted. The Lexus version of the model followed suit, offering nearly the same experience but with a more premium interior. Now, Toyota is stepping in with a mid-cycle update for both vehicles. While the exterior might not showcase dramatic changes, the upgrades under the surface bring some much-needed improvements. Starting with the Toyota bZ4X, the design updates are subtle but noticeable. The front end gets a refined look with a reshaped lower section, featuring sharper edges and a more upright stance. New lighting elements are integrated into the corners, enhancing the vehicle's presence. However, the interior is where drivers will find the most significant changes. The dashboard and center console have been redesigned, creating more space for resting and charging devices. A large 14-inch display now comes standard, running updated software that improves functionality. Battery preconditioning has been added, allowing the system to optimize temperature for faster and more efficient charging. Additionally, the navigation system now includes route planning that factors in charging stops, making long trips more convenient. One of the biggest changes comes in the form of improved powertrain options. Toyota introduces new battery choices, allowing for a more flexible lineup. The most powerful version now includes a 73.1 kilowatt-hour battery available with either a single motor front-wheel drive setup or a dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration. A smaller 57.7 kilowatt-hour battery is also introduced exclusively for the base front-wheel drive variant. This smaller pack will serve as the entry-level option for buyers who do not need maximum power or range. Speaking of power, Toyota is making sure that the bZ4X delivers better performance than before. The new e-axles allow for increased output, with the single-motor version producing 221 horsepower, an improvement of 20 horsepower compared to the outgoing model. If all-wheel drive is selected, the output jumps to 338 horsepower, making this one of the most powerful Toyota vehicles outside of the high-performance GR lineup. For those who prioritize efficiency over power, the base model with the smaller battery will provide 165 horsepower to the front wheels. With the updated battery and powertrain, Toyota estimates that the bZ4X can now travel up to 356 miles on a full charge, a slight improvement over the previous range of 320 miles. However, these figures are based on the European testing cycle, and actual range numbers for the United States market may differ. Currently, the United States version of the bZ4X offers an estimated 252 miles of range. Charging performance should also see an improvement thanks to battery preconditioning and the addition of a 22 kilowatt onboard charger for alternating current charging. Lexus is also bringing significant changes to the RZ model, making it more distinct from the bZ4X. While there are no exterior styling changes aside from the introduction of a new yoke-style steering wheel, the vehicle features a new steer-by-wire system. This setup provides a variable steering ratio, similar to what is seen in the Tesla Cybertruck. Under the hood, Lexus is taking things further with a larger 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which is the only option for the model. The base version of the Lexus RZ now produces 221 horsepower with a front-wheel drive setup, matching the Toyota bZ4X. However, the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant takes power to the next level, delivering 375 horsepower. For those seeking even more excitement, Lexus is introducing the RZ 550EF Sport Trim, which pushes power up to 402 horsepower. This version also includes an interactive manual drive system, which simulates gear shifts for a more engaging driving experience. To enhance the experience further, Lexus has integrated artificial engine sounds to complement the simulated shifting. Lexus is also incorporating an improved charging system with battery preconditioning to reduce charging times. Official range figures and charging speeds have not yet been confirmed, but the brand estimates that the RZ will gain approximately 62 additional miles of range in its most efficient configuration based on European testing standards. The Toyota bZ4X and Lexus RZ are set to arrive in European markets as 2026 models, with the Toyota version reaching dealerships in the summer, followed by the Lexus variant in the fall. Pricing details are yet to be released, and Toyota has not provided information on when these updates will be available in the United States. If you found this update helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive news.